What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Taking out the Talaria today, meeting up with a couple old co-workers. We're actually going for a long PEV ride from Manassas to Haymarket. We're going to a brewery called The Farm. Haven't ridden the Talaria in over 2 months now, so pretty excited to take this thing out. I just realized my front brake pads are like toast on this.
Toast?
Yeah, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, I definitely want to add on some turn signals to this thing. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations. Did you sell your other scooter?
Yeah, got good use out of it.
That and you kept blowing out tires on that thing anyway.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, I feel so much more comfortable having dual sport tires.
Yeah, those are perfect for
Multi-purpose.
especially that grass section, dude. That's
Right.
sketch, man. Alright guys, there you go. I definitely need a controller and battery upgrade. Let me know if you have any suggestions. I'm definitely want to go to at least 72 volt. I can't have my buddy Justin pulling on me like that. And it's completely stock NAMI. Yeah, that's the fastest this thing's ever. It's fun going fast on this thing.
Dude.
Making holes fast.
I miss like just putting around the street with you, dude.
Yeah.
That shit was cool. Your bike's fast as fuck.
Dude, I realize if I'm willing to tuck all the way down, which I don't like the weight bias when I tuck down too far, it goes like that extra 2.5 miles fast. always so much more fun after a couple beers.
Yeah. Dump our batteries and we're close to.
I'm down. I miss riding on the street.
Yeah. It's funny, like cruising at 60 miles an hour now.